Hey all, good day. Myself Tanga Ganesh Kumar. So I am a support manager or customer success manager with Instahyre. So what we are going to discuss today. So Instahyre, what is Instahyre doing? So Instahyre is doing an AI-driven talent acquisition. So how are we doing it, and what are the next steps of hiring? So we are going to discuss about that. So about Instahyre. So to give a brief, we started Instahyre to make the hiring process more efficient for both employers and candidates by leveraging the modern machine learning technologies. Within 2 years, Instahyre has helped hundreds of companies hire some of their best people. Instahyre was founded by graduates of world renowned institutes like Stanford University, who have experience at top Silicon Valley based technology companies. So, now how the recruitment process happens. Instahire is a modern platform that turns your talent acquisition using the power of artificial intelligence. Now, all of you know that artificial intelligence is ruling the world and going to rule the world for some more years. So, with the basic of having that artificial intelligence adding to the hiring process, which will help to transform or provide the best candidates as well as the best employers for the candidates. So the InstaHire platform delivers you high quality and high intent talent so you can make better hires and close positions quickly. So here we have discussed multiple things. How are we going to close positions quickly, or how are we going to make better hires? So here, so InstaHire with other hiring platforms. So if you see the comparison over here, so recently you all know that LinkedIn and Naukri are the top hiring platforms which is available right now. But InstaHire is going to hire or help you hire people 10x more than LinkedIn, 40 percentage of premium candidates or niche roles than Naukri, 3x times reduce the time to hire. So if example, if it normally takes 30 days to hire through LinkedIn or Naukri, it is going to be down to 10 days with the help of Instahire. 8x of cost savings versus using our agencies. So there are lots of consultancies which is around, which is helping in hiring the candidates, but with help of Instahire, you're going to reduce the cost in investing in these, sorry, excuse me, help in reducing uh, the cost investing in these consultancies. So how? And before that, who are the clients of Instahire? So almost 800 plus organizations right now using Instahire, with more than thousands of um, employees who are hired through Instahire. So some of the major clients are Amazon, Microsoft, Uber, Myntra, Paytm, and Uplift. So how Instahire is doing the talent source? So with the help of AI, as I mentioned, so there is a search engine as Insta Match, which will deliver the top candidates for your job description or for your requirement through that particular AI based search engine. So the algorithm of that particular AI is 100, not 100%, it's very, very best right now in the recruiters industry. And it is not only going to be a stale one, so every week it is going to refresh itself so that it makes the accurate decisions based on the previous hires as well. Instahire delivers you the premium talent that is unavailable on any conventional platform. So as I mentioned, there are some niche roles which needs to be filled in quickly. So with help of Instahire, you'll be able to get those roles as well filled very quickly. So, like example, if you see there are old technologies which has been used, like your C++, some of the software still are running there. But to find a person who is well expertise in C or C++, It is not, we will not be able to get them on the normal hiring platforms. But using the Instahire, you'll be able to achieve those roles as well. Immediate business impact. So as I mentioned earlier, with these AI interfaced search engine, we will be able to get the candidates very quickly who are matching our job description. So with that, the 3 times you'll be able to get the better candidates and get the candidates interviewed. And with that, the time taken to close a particular interview will be reduced, which will help you to reduce the cost. So this will also help you to go ahead and close the critical positions which the business needs. Increase candidate engagement. So as we are discussing on the employer side, so what happens on the candidate side? So candidates also get the best experience which they have ever got in the hiring process. The reason I would say this is, so whenever you're going to join an organization, the joining formalities and the interview process should be smooth. So Instahire does that. So with the help of the AI, the automated algorithms will be framing an email and sending it to the candidates, which will be more effective than the humans, which will help us to get the information quickly from the candidates and get the work done quickly. So as we mentioned, so these are the reasons to reduce the time frame of the hiring. So here is one of the example how the email template looks like. So talent brand. So branding is one of the major thing which happens during the hiring itself, because the candidate needs to understand the brand of the organization he or she is joining, as well as the employer also needs to brand themselves that they are the best organization currently in the period. So how does this is happening through Instahire? So Instahire, whenever they get a chance to have a discussion with the candidate, they go and provide the company information, the culture of the organization, how the organization runs, and all the information related to the organizations also will be fed to the candidate, which will help us to make sure that the brand value of the employer is also being passed on to the candidate. So here are some of the client comments based on the previous hirings, which has been completely closed or successfully closed. So just going through the first example, since Uplift entered India in 2015, sourcing candidates through Instahire has directly impacted three important metrics for our organization positively: the quality of candidates, candidate engagement, and cost of hiring. So the 3 points which we discussed in the previous slides: quality of candidates through the AI search engine, we'll be able to the best candidates. Then the client engagement, whenever Instahire contacts the candidate, that will be done automatically through the AI. Cost of hiring, when these two things are taken care, the cost of hiring automatically goes down. So this is a best example where how the Instahire helps in hiring the best candidate for the employer needs. So now we are into the last part. So are you interested in having Instahire as one of your hiring partner? Then please do reach out to us through an email or through our website for the demo of your recruitment, so that we will be able to help you learn more how Instahire works, and Instahire can help you in your recruitment. Thank you.